Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I'm Dr. Mahdi.Far. Today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to grow passion fruit at home. At the end, if you like my video, please push the like, press the subscribe button and also share it with your friends. Now let's start the video. First we need to cut the passion fruit. You can see there are lots of seeds inside of fruit. In next step, we need to take the seeds with a teaspoon out, and we need to leave it on the surface of tissue. Here you can see lots of seeds. And now in next step, we use a tissue to remove the gel around of every seeds. And we try to gently dry the seeds. Here you can see I dried the seeds. There is no gel around the seeds. Now I need to plant them in soil. Surface of seeds with one layer of soil, one thin layer. We don't need much soil. Now I water it. Now I use cellophane and I cover the surface of pot with one layer of cellophane for creating an environment like greenhouse. In this case, soil will be always wet. And now I need to put the pot behind the window in a sunny area. And after 1 week, maybe 2 weeks, you can see germination. Now after 3 weeks, I have a very small pot with lots of passion fruit plants. I would like to transplant 2, maximum 3 of them in a bigger pot. You should be very careful when you are transplanting them in a bigger pot. You shouldn't damage the roots because roots are very sensitive. I think for this pot, 3 bushes should be enough. You can see the roots. And then we need to water them. And after watering, it's better to place the pot behind the window. Now 3 months passed. I have 3 passion fruit plants in my pot. And now I would like to use this stake. In this case, they will be wrapped around of it. And it will be very nice. Now it's very nice. Hope you found this video useful. At the end, if you have any comment or question, you can write it below in the comment section. You can also hit the bell. In this case, you will get notification whenever I publish a new video. And at the end, please don't forget that life is short and enjoy it. Thank you so much and bye.